Good morning students. PG Senior Secondary School welcomes you in economics classes for class 11. Students, earlier I taught you PPC. PPC means production possibility curve. Okay. Features of PPC, assumptions of PPC earlier classes. Now, today let's start shifting of PPC. Before reading shifting of PPC, once more I am going to revise that you all read earlier. This curve is PPC. This means good 1, good 2. It means what? Our assumption for PPC. Our assumption is there. In an economy, only two goods are produced, good 1 and good 2. Two goods are produced. And PPC, production possibility curve, shows the combination between two goods. In an economy, any bundle can be selected at PPC A, B, C. One more thing, there is the alternate use of the resources. The resources are fixed. There is no change in the technology. Two goods are produced and resources are used. Ultimately, suppose that if combination A is selected, in this condition, what? In economy, what? OX1 quantity of good 1 and OY1 quantity of good 2 will be produced. In the case when combination B will be selected, in this condition OX2 quantity of good 1 and OY2 quantity of good 2 will be produced in an economy. What are you noticing here? What are you looking here? Whenever we are increasing the production of one good, the production of other good is decreasing. What we have increased? We have increased x1, x2 quantity of good 1. In this condition, y1, y2 quantity of good 2 decreases. It means there is the alternate use of the resources. Resources are used in alternate way. Let's read about shifting of PPC. Shifting of, this is the special condition. Shifting of PPC. See here, this is original PPC. I am going to express first case, good 1, good 2. This is PPC. Suppose that if resources are both good increased, in this condition PPC will be shifted rightward. PPC will shift rightward. When suppose that if any technology will be increased, actually our assumption is there, resources are fixed, technology is unchanged. But suppose that if resources are increased, it is a special condition, or if technology is changed or technology is increased, in this condition the production of good X will be increased, good 1 will be increased from OX1 to OX2, and the production of good Y, resources for both are increasing or the technology for both are changing. In this condition, the production of good Y also increases OY1 to OY2. It means PPC will shift right part. Right part. What you have understood here, you have seen here the shifting of PPC rightward or rightward shifting of PPC. Let's read about the leftward shifting of PPC. Leftward shifting of PPC. Just opposite of that. See here, X, Y, O. This is OY1, OX1, good X, good Y. If the resources of good X and resources of good Y both are decreases due to natural disaster, due to epidemic, if both resources are decreased, in that condition what would be happen? Due to decrease in the resources for both good X and good Y, the production of both good will also decreases. Suppose the production of good X decreases from OX1 to OX2 and good Y decrease OY1 to OY2. In this condition, PPC will shift leftward. PPC will shift leftward. This leftward. PPC. Okay. Same like this. If the resources of good X are the resources of good Y, decreasing, the PPC shifting rightward, or if the technology of good X and technology of good Y both are decreased, in this condition, the poor technology is used, in this condition, what happen? PPC will shift leftward. Clear? Leftward shifting of PPC. There is the leftward shifting of PPC due to decrease in the resources of both goods or due to decrease in the technology of both goods. Okay, clear. Now let's read about rotation of PPC. How the PPC or the production possibility of rotate. Rotation of PPC. Rotation of PPC. See here, first case. X-axis, Y-axis, O, PPC is always concave, you know very well. PPC. Suppose that technology of good Y only increased. What? Technology of good Y increased and technology of here good X, good. Technology of good Y only increased and the technology of good X is constant. In this condition, the production of good Y will increase. Due to increase the technology, the production of good Y will increase, and there is no increase or decrease in the technology for the good X. It means the production of good X will be constant. In this condition, PPC will rotate like this. It means the production of good X will be same, but production of good Y will be increased from OY1 to OY2. Same like that. See here. PPC. Y-axis, X-axis, original point. Suppose that the technology of good X increased. In this condition, what would be happen? the production of good X will be increased from OX1 to OX2. But there is no change in the technology of good Y. In this condition, there will be no change in the production of good Y. Good X, good Y. In this condition, what will be happen? How the PPC will shift? The production of good X will be increased due to increase in the technology. But production of good Y will be not increased. There is no change in the technology for good Y. Like this means PPC will rotate. Okay. Same thing may be happen for resources. So this is the shifting of rotation of PPC. Clear? You all learned the shifting of PPC and rotation of PPC. Many times questions are asked in the board examination. Okay? Try to understand which type of questions are asked. 3 marks, 4 marks questions are asked in board examination. What are you noticing here? Now in India you are noticing COVID-19. ऐसा no. This is very famous nowadays. COVID-19. What will be happening due to COVID-19? Due to COVID-19, resources will be decreased, technology will be decreased for the production of both goods. Accordingly, our assumption, only 2 goods are produced in economy. The production of both goods will be decreased. In this condition, what would be happen? Question would be like this means, what would be effect of COVID-19 on Indian economy? What would be impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy? Due to COVID-19, what would be happen? Due to COVID-19, the resources of both good will be decreased. The technology of both good will be decreased. In this condition, what would be happen? PPC will shift leftward. This is the original PPC, and due to COVID-19, what would be happen? The production of good X, OX1, OY. Good X will be decreased from OX1 to OX2. And the production of good Y will decrease from OY1 to OY2. It means what would be happen? There will be leftward shifting in PPC. One more question. For the rightward shifting of PPC, this type of reason you have to write. This type of questions are asked. Okay, in examinations, and these are only related to the recently happenings that are going on in an economy. X, O, Y. Okay. Good X, good. One more question is there. There was cyclone in Odisha and West Bengal. You have seen in news. So what would be the effect of that cyclone on PPC? In that condition, what would be happen? The resources of both good will be decreased. In that condition, the production of both good will be decreased. Production of good X will be decreased from OX1 to OX2, and good Y will be decreased OY1 to OY2. It means due to this, there will be leftward shifting of PPC. Leftward. Okay. One more question related rightward shifting of PPC. Modi government has launched Jan Dhan Yojana. You heard the name of Jan Dhan scheme? Under the Jan Dhan scheme, what is it? Is the mandatory for each and everybody. It is compulsory for each and everybody to open the accounts in the banks. What would be happen? Whenever they will open their account in the banks, there will be saving in the banks. And where that saving will be used? That saving will be used by the banks, okay, for the production activities, or that will be invested. It means condition. It means what? What condition would be happen? It means due to Jan Dhan scheme, okay, the investment will be increased, and when the investment will be increased, the production of both good will be increased. It means there will be shifting of PPC rightward, or there will be rightward shifting of PPC. Here, original PPC, and due to Jan Dhan Yojana, okay, what would be happen? The investment will be increased in the production activity, and due to increase in the investment, the production of both good will increase. Good X, good Y. The production of good X increase from OX1 to OX2, and production of Y will increase from OY1 to OY2. In that condition, what will be happen? PPC will shift right. Right. It's clear? So, like this means any question may be asked, okay, related to the shifting of PPC. 3 marks, 4 marks question may be asked in the board examination. How the PPC shift leftward, how the PPC shift right. Okay? You have to explain appropriate reason related the question. Now, in next video. It is